What's up, guys? This is what I am up to today. Not eating muffins. Wednesday night, I let this guy soak in some vinegar. It's a Stanley number 5. It's the one with the corrugated bottom. And it soaked for 4 hours. And it cleaned up extremely well. I used water to neutralize the vinegar. I know you can add baking soda, all that other stuff. So there's still some areas of rust on it. But I'm going to use my Dremel tool and possibly my cordless drill. I got some wire brushes to clean it up and some polishing compound and stuff. I'm really not trying to restore it and paint everything and do all that. I just want to get it back in working order and working nicely and get all the rust off of it. And today I picked up these guys. So this is another Stanley number 5. This one here does not have the corrugated bottom. It's got the smooth bottom. And I'm about to soak this guy in a bunch of vinegar. And I'm also going to soak this guy in a bunch of vinegar, which is a Stanley Bailey number 4. So out of the two number 5s, whichever one takes the most work to get the blade sharp and do all that stuff with, I'll probably turn it into a scrub plane. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be up to today, and working on polishing this one up and sharpening its blade. And while these guys soak in some vinegar, this is my hurricane party for Hurricane Barry. So at least if the lights go out, I'll still have some water and be able to work on my hand planes. I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody be safe out there. If you're in the way of this hurricane, we'll be praying for you. And once I get them all polished up, I'll show you guys what they look like. There's more than enough videos out there on YouTube showing the entire process of how to break them down with vinegar and how to take care of all that stuff. So sorry it's so shaky. My camcorder is actually recording, so I wanted to go ahead and shoot this with the phone real quick and show you guys what I'm up to. Uncle Jim, if your son finds some, let me know. I'm sure we'll be happy to take them off y'all's hands. And God bless everybody. Y'all have a great day.